Okay, we have two fractions here that we need to divide. Now, notice these are mixed numbers. So when doing this by hand, we don't want them to be mixed numbers to divide. We need to change them to improper fractions. So if you remember to do that, we just multiply the denominator by the whole number here. So 3 times 6, add the 1, and put them all over 3. So this one is just going to be 19/3. The other one, and actually it'll be negative 19/3, negative 5 1/4, we do the same thing. 5 times 4 plus 1, all over 4. So 5 times 4 is 20, plus 1 is 21/4. Still want that to be negative. So let's put that back over here. We have negative 19/3 divided by negative 21/4. Now if you remember, when we are dividing fractions, we flip the second fraction and multiply. So the first one stays. We'll have negative 19/3 here times negative 4 over 21. Okay? Now looking at this, sadly, there is nothing that is going to cross cancel. 19 and 21, nothing will divide out of both of those. And 4 and 3, nothing will divide out of those. So we're just going to go ahead and multiply these. So negative 19 times negative 4 is going to be a positive 76. 3 times 21 is going to give us 63. Now it says write your answer as a simplified mixed fraction. So that means we're going to go back to this original form that we had. Well, how do we do that? How do we go back to the original form? One way is that you can divide 76 by 63. So we'll say, okay, 63 goes into 76 one time. So 63 times 1, we get 63. We minus this. 6 minus 3 is 3. 7 minus 6 is 1. Well, 63 doesn't go into 13, so that's going to be just our remainder. We have 1 and 13 that still needs to divide by that 63. So that's our final answer, 1 and 13 over 63. We do want to do a quick check, make sure 13 and 63 can't simplify further. They can't in this case, so that will be our final answer. Notice the original problem was given to us as mixed numbers. The final answer was a mixed number, and that's often the case that you need to put your final answer in the same form you were given the problem.